Tonight I am making a Mexican casserole. My mom and I are babysitting our nephews for my sister. Well, my nephews. Get off. While she's out of town. So we're gonna make a Mexican casserole, and this is how we're gonna do it. First, I'm going to spray the casserole dish. First ingredient is going to be the enchilada sauce. And then you layer your tortillas. We are using zero carb jalapeno tortillas. And you just kind of spread out the enchilada sauce on the bottom. So next up is going to be our refried beans. Make sure you can see that up here. Next up, we're going to use Mexican street corn. We're taking the easy way out today. We're going to use canned chicken. Going to add a layer of salsa. Got a taco blend, so I'm going to sprinkle that on. My mom likes olives. I don't. So I'm going to put half of the with olives for her. How much olives do you like? Like a crazy amount? I don't know what that means. Not a whole lot. That's a lot. Okay, and then you just repeat the process. So I'm going to cover this with foil and pop it in the oven. It's only going to take like 25-30 minutes because everything really is already cooked. And when we're done, we have some store-made pico de gallo, and we got classic guacamole. And then we have the rest of our picante sauce that we can serve it with. Sour cream is always very good.